For months, there has been a fierce competition between a bunch of turkeys trying to win their way into the White House. Some of you caught that. Well, today I can announce that the American people have spoken, and we have two winners. Their names are Honest and Abe. I confess that Honest looks like good eating, but this is a democracy. Abe is now a free bird. He is Totus, the turkey of the United States. Yeah. If, for some reason, Abe can't fulfill his duties to walk around and gobble all day, Honest is in an undisclosed location, ready to serve as the Totus in the Totus line of succession. Yeah. It is hard to believe that this is my 7th year of pardoning a turkey. Time flies, even if turkeys don't. I thought it was pretty good. Well, we're going to put them on the party. Stay on the party. You staying away? Yeah. All right. Yes. All right. Don't interrupt. Power vested in me. You are hereby pardoned. Give Abe a big round of applause.